everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about YouTube analytics. By understanding your audience and performance, you can improve your content and grow your channel on YouTube. So let's get started. Overview of YouTube analytics. The first thing you need to know about YouTube analytics is how to access them. You can find your analytics by going to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Your analytics provide you with a wealth of information about your audience and performance, including your views, watch time, and engagement metrics. Understanding your audience. One of the most important things you can learn from your YouTube analytics is who your audience is. By understanding your audience demographics, you can create content that resonates with them. Look at your audience's age, gender, and location to get a better understanding of who they are. You can also see which videos are most popular with your audience and use that information to create similar content. Performance metrics. Another important aspect of YouTube analytics is your performance metrics. These metrics help you understand how your videos are performing and what you can do to improve them. Look at your views, watch time, and engagement metrics to see how your videos are performing. You can also see which videos are getting the most traffic from external sources, such as search engines and social media. Using analytics to improve your content. Once you have a good understanding of your audience and performance, you can use that information to improve your content. For example, if you see that your audience is mostly male, you may want to create more content that appeals to men. You can also use your performance metrics to improve your video titles, descriptions, and tags to increase your visibility in search results. So those are some tips on how to use YouTube analytics to understand your audience and performance. Remember, by understanding your audience demographics, performance metrics, and using that information to improve your content, you can grow your channel and reach more viewers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.